Looking for ways to see big while shopping in Australia? Well, Cuponation Australia makes it easy to uncover genuine active codes that brings down prices without the hassle whether you're hunting for discounts on fashion, tech, or groceries. In today's video, I'll guide you how to find verified coupon codes on Cuponation Australia. First things first, search www.cuponation.com.au. And you will head to the homepage. Now, you can browse on different store here, whichever you like. To find verified coupons, go to Top Shops and select store you want. For example, I want to purchase an item from AliExpress. Now, Cuponation got you verified coupons from AliExpress. All you have to do is follow the terms and conditions of these coupons, such as this, and tap C code. You can copy this code and paste it in your AliExpress checkout. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.